Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set audiobook jump on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. Now you just go to the lower bar, tap the last button, the account, and here you can find the audio player settings button under the report an issue. Click that, and you can find the first button, the audiobook jump. Click that, and you can select different seconds, for example 5, 10, 50, 20, 25 or 30. Actually, I use the 30, but if you want to select, for example, the 10, just click that and click to the OK button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.